Hey Mark, you must be feeling so buoyant after that road trip to Johannesburg where we engaged with the independent financial advisors. Your fund, Global Income, got so much attention.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of interest. The financial advisors out there with money that's placed offshore, and the prospects in that space are really positive for the first time in many years.
It's good to hear. And your approach, deep research, repeatable process, how did that manifest last quarter?
So the process is very robust. We work off the global fixed income buy list, the local fixed income buy list, global equity buy list, local equity buy list. So that work gets done by the analysts, and on a monthly basis we integrate those return expectations in different scenarios. And what that means for the Global Income Fund is what's transpired into some really decent returns. Yeah.
Decent returns, and how your year-to-date numbers are good. How different do you think Q4 is going to be to Q3?
So prospects are really good. We're in a cutting cycle, and so with that, the economy is actually holding up globally as well. And then also some of the complexity and uncertainty around tariffs has also been walked back. The prospects for the returns out of the equity component, which is a small component, look really good. And then, the cutting cycle lends itself to, still continued decent returns from US Treasuries, whereas we have a large exposure as well.
I was just listening to your terminology and the themes that keep coming up in the Northstar boardroom. Clarity and complexity. How do you deal with those two themes?
So it's it is very complex. A lot of the inputs, macroeconomic inputs, notoriously difficult to forecast. We lean heavily on consensus data. So the sell side research, there's plenty of research out there that provides guidance. We've got a very robust infrastructure in terms of our modeling. So on a very regular basis we integrate those consensus inputs. And that very quickly illuminates where we see decent opportunities in the market. So it helps us, position ourselves on the curve with decent clarity, as well as being able to, choose which asset classes that are potentially going to do quite nicely.
And you've got a couple you can choose from, as you highlighted earlier. Mark, keep performing and stay buoyant. Thanks.
Excellent.